Hi and welcome to Quixotic.academy.
We are excited to announce our new course, Problem Solving Through Python.
This video is about the course, who can join the course, what you will learn, and what will be the outcome if you attend this course. So, about the instructor, I have taught around 500 plus students programming using Scratch and Python, and it's it's what I love to do. In short, I love to share my knowledge. I love to see people solving problems logically. And I have several years of programming experience in Python, PHP, Java, JavaScript, C++, C Sharp, and many other languages. Also, I have done a lot of machine learning projects as I'm working as a machine learning engineer, a freelance machine learning engineer with 100% job success score. Now, moving towards the course. Who is this course for? So, this course is basically for anyone. School students, beginners in programming, someone who wants to learn the Python, someone who has difficulty solving problems. So, in short, anyone with basic knowledge of English, basic knowledge of maths, and basic computers usage skills can join the course and learn problem solving through Python. Why is it important? That's the most important question. Why should you do this course? And why are we not focusing on programming? Why aren't we saying that let's learn programming? Why are we saying that let's solve problems? It's because in the survey I have attached, it was a survey of US Bureau of Labor Statistics, McKinsey Global Institute Analysis has done it. So it shows you that the manual jobs, the hardworking jobs, and the most jobs people are doing are going to be replaced by machines. There is very much chance of that. So you can see that sewing machines, operators, graders, sorters of agricultural products can 100% be replaced by the machines. Even web developers, chemical technicians, fashion designers, and psychiatrists, legislators, and normal doctors, and everything can be replaced by machine. So, you will be valuable if you know how to solve problems. Machines do not know how to solve the problem. They can only learn from the past examples and do something. They cannot learn a new thing on their own. You are a human, you can learn new stuff. So, that's your success in 2020 and beyond. And why are we choosing Python? Because Python is the most used and flexible language for now. But this course will not be language dependent. We want you to be a problem solver using any language, any tool, anything available.
Moreover, in this course, we will also use machine learning and artificial intelligence for problem solving.
And what you will do in this course? Okay, you will think logically. So, logic is the key. And you will solve the problem, then write the code. You cannot just start writing the code right away without thinking about the problem. So, we will guide you throughout this process on how to think and how to write the code later. Also, you will be solving problems through Python, and in this way you will be learning programming concepts step by step, and these concepts are same across multiple languages. So it won't be a problem for you to implement your code, to write your code in C++ or in Java if you know about the programming concepts. And along the way you will build fun projects which can help you build your attractive portfolio. And what will be the outcome of this course? You will have advanced skills related to problem solving, logical thinking, programming, and computer science related stuff. You will have an attractive portfolio, and you will be an expert in Python for now, and you will be a versatile programmer. So, what are we waiting for? Let's learn together.